Hey beauties, welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm going to jump straight into the video because it's finally time to remove my 5 almost 6-week-old braids. I'm in month 2 of 5 for my hair growth challenge. I removed my braids off camera, but my hair was detangled and moisturized with this new cream I have from Obia Naturals. So this is what I use to pre-poo my hair. So here is my dirty, flaky scalp and the amount of hair shed that I got once the braids were removed and my hair was detangled. To remove all my buildup, I use Free and Clear shampoo for sensitive skin. To build strength, I use Kinky Curly Stellar Strands, which is a protein-based conditioner. So to balance out the protein, I apply the new conditioner that I got called Earth Supplied and is a rinse out moisturizing conditioner. So I apply this right on top after the Kinky Curly. This is my hair with the 2 conditioners in it, and I also did detangle my hair with my brush. I sat with the conditioner for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinsed out in cool water. A key tip for me, I like to pre-part my hair when I know what style I'm going to be doing. So I already know I'm going to be rocking a bun, so I just did a side part, and this really eases the tension off my hair when styling, and I get less tangles. While in the shower, I use Kinky Curly Not Today for my leave-in conditioner, then the Obia Naturals for extra boost of moisture. Can you see that? It is a wave brush. Then for each section, I'm going to apply the Chebe butter to really lock in that moisture. Once I braid my hair, I take out my hair tie because I can't do tight buns and it couldn't be a protective style for me with tension on my hair. Jamaican black castor oil is to lay down any loose hairs and to lock in that moisture. Kinky Curly Curling Custard is the OG of my hair products. It's one of my favorite gels. This is to add shine and some hold. Once all the products are applied, I wrap my braid into a loose bun. I use my satin head bandana and then my silk scarf to set my hair. today is Friday, and this is how my hair's been looking since Tuesday. I took out the elastic band and I just kept it in a satin scrunchie. It's loose, as you can see. It's not tight, but we still have some moisture. This is how the braid is looking. When I like to refresh my bun, it's either I use a herbal hair juice or water, but I'm loving aloe vera, just real aloe vera juice, 99% aloe vera juice, and I got this from Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. And I just added it to a spray bottle. I literally just spray my hair all over. And I try not to use a brush to refresh, but I'm just gonna gently use it. I don't lay my edges again. I just pretty much wet the hair just to reactivate the kinky curly custard gel that I have in my hair. And of course, silk scarf. So this is 5 days later, and I'm going to refresh my hair. I did skip wash day because my scalp was looking and feeling really clean, and I did not want to overwash my hair by doing a shampoo because then it would just cause my hair to dry out. So I'm going to be taking down my braid and using my products to get my curls a boost of moisture. That was my low maintenance protective routine for 2 weeks, and now that my hair is free from the extensions, I'm super excited to showcase more on what I do and what I use for my hair growth. But that's all for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye guys.